First meeting of the year for us. I'd like to welcome especially councillors and staff and members of the public. Nice to have you all here. Are we and certainly international clientele on the? Are we live streaming? All okay? Good to go. All right. Can I ask Councillor Truman please to give us a blessing for today? Thank you, Councillor Truman.
I te atua kaharawa ki a tata mai koe ki a mātou I tēnei rā, manaaki te a mātou mahi katoa I rongi tingoa o te matua o te tama o te wairua tapu, ake ake, āmene.
Amen. Thank you very much, Councillor Truman. Could I call for apologies, please?
Through the Chair, an apology from Councillor Boddy, who has a medical appointment in Cambridge today.
Councillor Boddy, okay, he's away. Would you like to move that way? Councillor Johns, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. Conflicts of interest. Any members have any conflicts of interest? I'd like to announce 4.1 and 4.2, 4.3 as per legal advice. Unfortunately, I will not be able to partake in the matters concerning Kinloch. I've sought further legal advice since the subsequent decision was made, and that decision, that advice as such, will put the process in jeopardy. So I'll be calling on the Deputy Mayor to chair that process, if that's okay. So I'll go to confirmation of minutes on the 13th of December, 3.1. Any matters arising from those minutes or any points of clarification? No. Could I have a mover, therefore, for those minutes, please? Moved by Councillor Rankin, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. Thank you.